So if this is your first autumn, winter since you passed your driving test, then it's probably a good time now, because we're at the start of October and the first week is for you to check out your lights around the car, make sure they're working. And the best way to do it is turn them on and walk around and check. So if I just turn the camera around so you can see what's happening down there, I'm going to put my headlights on and my side lights, and you can see down there now we've got my side lights on the right, headlights on the left, so you can see they're on. And what you need to do is walk around the car. So we're going to get outside, it's a bit windy, and you're checking the back. One's working fine, one side light, one's working fine there, that one there. So everything's working fine. And then go into the front. Got the front ones on, back one's on, sorry, front one's on both sides. So it's fine. And the next thing you want to do is put on your fog lights. So I'm going to put on the front fog lights and the rear fog lights, because mine's got two. Usually the rear one's standard, but if you've got a front one, check that at the same time. So I'm going to go around the back again. See the difference? Side lights, rear fog lights, a lot brighter. It's quite windy. And going to the front. Yeah, down there the bottom one's on. And the bottom one's on that side too. So they're both working fine. So I'm going to turn off my fog lights. Just get back in. There they are, turn them off. So all I've got to do now is check my main beams. At the moment it's on dipped, so I'll push it forward, it goes to blue, which is, to some people, dazzle, main beam. So you might not see much difference in the daytime, so you might want to check this. It's darker, so I can tell it's tilted the headlights a bit higher. It tilts it for you. And then if you really want to check every light around, turn the main beam off, then you could do your indicator lights by turning it to the left, going to the front and back, and then turn it to the right, go to the front and back again. So you really want to check them out, because if there's any that are missing, if there's any lights, bulbs that are missing or they're blown, then you really want to replace them so that you're more visible. Everyone knows what you're trying to do, everyone can see you coming, and you're less likely to have an accident. And also, don't forget your reversing lights at the same time. So the best thing to do, and if you're on your own, is reverse up to a garage door, pop it in reverse, and you should be able to see reflections on the door, the white lights come on. And the other thing would be, if your bulbs are missing, replace them. And do remember that if your lights are missing, because you think, oh, I'll be fine, lights are missing. Years ago, I got pulled over by the police because one of my side lights were missing. I was probably in my 20s, and it must have blown the day before. So they pulled me over and give me a producer to get it done. Okay, so check your lights. If the bulbs are missing, get them sorted. Good luck on the roads. Enjoy the winter driving.